So today I've got a bit of a cautionary tale about website security. So a friend of mine had a bad experience just recently on the long weekend, the Easter weekend that's just gone past. On Good Friday, he discovered that his websites were infected with malware, which is really not something that you want to have happen at any stage, but certainly not at the start of a long weekend. So it's something that's stressful and takes up a lot of time to work out what's going on, figure out how to get someone to help clean it up, get it all secure again. Thankfully, he knew me, he could reach out to me. He wasn't a client of ours. However, we had cleaned up his site about a year ago. It was infected, and I told him at the time that he needs to make sure that it's updated on a regular basis, but he didn't have the time to do that and didn't take me up on the offer at that stage. But now he's realized that it's just not worth the hassle. You don't want to have that kind of experience on a long weekend. WordPress software does need to be updated on a regular basis to make sure that the latest security patches are put in there that protect against the malware infections and patch up those vulnerabilities that get found from time to time. Now, the other thing is that was particularly relevant in his case is he was on a cPanel hosting environment which allowed the infection to spread to the other websites that he had on that same server. So it's one of the things that we recommend is using cloud hosting. The software there is just a bit more isolated, and it's a lot harder for the infections to spread from one website onto the other websites on the server. So that's another thing to consider as well. Anyway, I hope this has been a useful tip for you. One action you can take right now is just make sure that you do have your website's security updated. Get a security expert to give it a quick once over, check it out. Really, you should be doing this on a regular basis, at least monthly. I would recommend have an expert go over the site, update the software, and make sure that it's all secure. Cheers.